What's up, everybody? Today, we're looking at this Medalist Bell Tenoner. If you've ever wondered how furniture, doors, or cabinets get those strong wooden joints that last for decades, this is the machine that helps make it happen. Instead of cutting an entire board or shape, a Tenoner takes the end of the wood and creates what's called the tenon. The tenon fits into a matching mortise, creating one of the strongest woodworking joints used in manufacturing. Right here is the sliding work table. The operator places the wood here, secures the position, and smoothly feeds it into the cutting heads. These are the hold-down clamps that firmly hold the piece in place while it's being machined. Behind these guards are the rotating cutter heads. They're responsible for removing the material from the workpiece and leaving behind a precisely sized tenon. The adjustable fences and stops let the operator get the exact cut and the exact dimensions that is needed. Machines like this are typically found in furniture plants, cabinet shops, and door manufacturers. This is important for facilities that focus on speed, accuracy, and repeatability. So if you're looking for quality used woodworking equipment like this Medalist Bell Tenoner, make sure you check out HGR24.com for this and thousands of other machines that can help take your business to the next level.